Hello guys, welcome back. So let me open my presentation and then we will start today's session. Okay, so in previous video we have discussed about this all, okay, about what we have to learn in HTML at first, and very sorry for the background noise. I have told you in the previous day that I will fix it, but it seems like it is not possible for now. Um Although I know you will adjust. Okay, so let's start our today's session. I hope you have set it up your Visual Studio Code and we are ready to begin. So this VS Code download link. Okay, so let's start directly with the session. So what is HTML? At first we have to know about some theoretical things to continue with the practical things. Um, I know this is boring, but we have to know some basic things about HTML. Like what is the full form? Uh, I hope you all know that this is hypertext markup language. Okay, this is not a programming language. As I told you previously in the previous video, that this is a browser-based language using which we make the body or the structure of the website. Okay, so the next point is HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages, as I told you. Then HTML describes the structure of a web page. Okay, HTML consists of a series of elements. Yeah, so we will definitely see in our code editor about the structure of a HTML file. Okay, so there you will definitely see some elements, and throughout our HTML series we will be talking about so many different type of elements using which we can make the body of a web page. Okay, okay, then the next point is HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Okay, that's fine. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph. Okay, okay, this is not so important. The important things I have already told you. Okay, let's see. What is the boilerplate? Boilerplate means the basic structure. Like if you have done a little bit of programming, there was in C programming, let's say, there was at first the structure was like has include stdio.h, then main file, and inside main we write our logics or programs, whatever it is. Likewise, in HTML there is also boilerplate. Okay, before telling you or showing you about the boilerplate of HTML, how it looks like, uh, I want to describe you about the different elements of that boilerplate code. Okay, let's see. Okay, these are the elements, basic elements of a HTML body boilerplate code. Okay, so the first element is here you can see uh, doc type HTML. What it represents that declares the HTML version being used. Okay, document type is HTML. It is representing that. Next is HTML elements like HTML. Okay, then head. I'm wrapping up this portion quite quickly. This so boring. Okay, then head and title and meta and that link and body. Okay, so let's go to the boilerplate code. Okay, first in our code there will be this type of boilerplate code. Okay, doc type.html. Then this HTML, you have to write this HTML here. The first HTML written in it is in opening tag. Okay, okay. So the important thing is this all are called tags. Okay, so that's why I'm calling it like that. Okay, the first HTML is in opening tag and the second or the last HTML is in closing tag. If we add a slash before writing the thing, like here HTML is the thing, so if we add a slash, then this becomes a closing tag. Okay, it is very important to maintain opening and closing tag throughout the coding of a web page using HTML. Okay, so you have to keep this point in mind very well. Next, okay, inside HTML there will be two portions, and the first one is head tag. Head tag will be looking like that. Similarly, in head tag you can see on the top there is opening head tag, and at the end there is closing head tag, and inside this head tag there is other many tags. Okay, like meta tag, title tag, sorry for the background noise again. Okay, so there is also meta tag and title tag. I will explain about it. At first let's see the structure at first. Okay, so inside HTML tag, the first is head tag, head opening and head closing, and after that other portion is body tag. Okay, so inside this body we write our actual things which will be displayed in the page. Okay, I will show you. Anything which will write inside the body tag will be displayed in the web page. Okay, creating a web page is very easy, but customizing it using CSS, JavaScript is little bit difficult. But it will not be difficult after watching my series. So keep watching my videos, and I hope you are liking my videos. If you like, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that's all about the basics boilerplate code for HTML. Let's see what is there next. Okay, so there is some important points like naming format of HTML file is will be, you have to give the name of a HTML file like that. Okay, like example.html. Example means the name which you want to give. Like if we are making a landing page, then you should give it a name of index.html. Okay, .html is the file type. Like in in case of C programming, we write C.C. In case of C++, we write a .cpp. Okay, like that. Like that. Here in case of HTML, this is .html. Okay, and before that the name of the file. Okay, so the next point, what it is telling, that always name the landing page as index.html, as I told you. Okay, it will help in easy deployment of website. Means whenever we will be trying to deploy our website using any hosting packs or using GitHub pages, uh, then definitely you have to give a file name called as index.html. Index should be there. Okay, and the I should not be in capital letter, it should be in small. Okay, like index, index, this is like that. So you have to give the exact name in the landing page file of, or you can say landing page HTML file. Okay. Okay, so this is the important point. So what is the next point is telling that the name which you will give in title tag will be displayed in browser top. Okay, so as I told you, inside this head there is meta tag and title tag. So in title tag you can see document is written here. Okay, if you give it your name, then this will be displayed in the browser top. I will show you, definitely I will show you. uh, okay, so let me at first start the code editor, and then we will continue our PPT. Okay, let me open it at first. Wait a second. VS Code. Okay, let's start VS Code. Yeah, so let me delete this. I will show you how to make this file. Not to recycle bin for now. Okay, you have made a folder named as project. Okay, so if you tell me how to open this directly in VS Code, so let me show you. Let's say this is we are inside a folder. Okay, now here I want to open this folder in VS Code. So you have to right click and then show more option. This is in case of Windows 11. Okay, then open with code. Okay, so that's all. This is open with code. Now you can see here this folder name is given. Now inside this, if you want to make, okay, if you want to check if what is the directory now, for now in you have to click on terminal, then new terminal. Okay, here you can see YouTube. Okay, YouTube is written here, means the last thing or last word which is written is the folder name. Okay, inside which you are going to make any file or any other folder. So inside YouTube we want to make another folder for file. Okay, let's make it. You have to just click here and let's say index.html. Okay, index.html. Nice. Now if we want to make another uh, folder, okay, we have made a index.html file. Okay, that's cool, but now we want to make another folder. Let's say here we want to keep our front-end files. Okay, front-end files. Okay, we have made this front-end files, and now inside front-end file we want to make the index.html file. Okay, so for that what you have to do, at first you have to go inside this front-end file. Okay, for that you have to write in terminal cd, means change directory. Okay, this is actually a directory, so inside this you write cd and then front-end f and then tab, and it will be automatically detected. Okay, you have to click the you have to type the first letter of your folder inside which you want to go or you want to make the new file, and then you have to click tab in your keyboard. Okay, on your keyboard, sorry, and then you have to type or you have to click enter on your keyboard. Okay, now you can see we are inside front-end folder. Okay, again sorry for the background noise. Now how you can clear this, just write clear, clear, clear. Okay, now we are inside the front end. Okay, nice. Now if I want to remove this all, or I do not need this all files. Okay, I want to code inside this front end folder. I want that only the front end folder open in VS Code. So for that simply you have to write code. uh, you can follow this processes uh, easily to learn some basic things. It will definitely help you in future. Okay, so for that reason I'm showing you the process of these basic things. Just write code and then similarly the first letter and then tab. Okay, or I think, okay, I will show you later. Okay, for now we are inside the front end folder. So now if we make a file, new file, you can see here clearly it will be made inside front end folder. So let me write index.html. Okay, now this is inside in this index.html is inside front end folder. Okay, now you have to download some extensions from here. Okay, uh, network is not connected I think, but you can download live server from here. Okay, live server, just search live server and it will be downloaded. If you not using live server, then you have to refresh the page again and again. This is the problem. So the if I code, let me code the first thing. Okay, just write this exclamatory sign and then enter. Yeah, that's the magic of VS Code. Okay, so automatically the boilerplate code is inside our editor. Okay, now let's open the page. If you have not downloaded the live server extension, you can directly open from the folder. Okay, folder means how you can open directly from the folder. Like, let me open it. 1 second, 1 second. Let me go outside, and yeah, this is the folder. Let me refresh it. Okay, this is the front end, and inside front end you can see this index.html. Okay, you have to just double click it and it will be open. Now this is our first web page. Okay, you can see here the link, that index.html. Okay, front end slash index.html, and 5500, this is a port, okay, on which it is running. Now if okay, I want to show you something at first. Like, in the top you can see here document is written. Document, I hope you can see. Okay, in the top. Now I want to change it. What can I do now? Just change this document word to whatever you want. Like, I'm changing it to Gaurav, my name. Okay, now you can see clearly. If you refresh this page, this automatically refreshed in my machine, because I'm using actually the live server. Okay, it automatically refreshes the web page on which we are actually currently working in VS Code. So here you can see the name is changed to Gaurav. Okay, this is the basic thing. Now you can tell me that how we can say this is the web page which we have made recently. There is nothing inside the web page. Okay, let me show you. Here if we write a div tag, and inside div if we write like I am code up. Okay, let's go to, yeah, so here you can see clearly this is visible. I am code up. Okay, if I keep this file here and if I open this here, you can see the changes easily. Okay, so I am changing here, like I am Gaurav from. Okay, this is displayed. So this is actually the structure of the we are giving only the structure. Okay, if I add some CSS to it, then we can change its color, we can center it in the web page. Okay, we can do many things with this text. This is not only about the text. We will learn about how to make forms, how to make buttons, how to make navigation bars, how to insert a video or a picture, and so many things. Okay, but this is just the basic thing. Okay, now now okay, I have told you the basic things. Let me go to the PPT now. Okay, okay, now about meta tag. What is meta tag? You can clearly see here that there is meta something, UTF-8, meta name, then viewport, something something. Okay, what is this? Let me explain. Okay, why meta tag is used? This is the viewport which I have shown you recently. So this is used for ACO. Okay, this viewport and this with device with, what it is telling? It is telling about in different devices how our website will be rendered. Okay, I will explain later about the rendering. but for now you have to just know the basic things. So that's all. Okay, and what is ACO? ACO is search engine optimization. Means like sometimes you can see or you can observe that if you search anything in Google, then some websites appear from top to bottom. So why this is in this order, like top to bottom? The ACO of the top website is very good. That's why it is appearing in the top. And ACO of the website is not so good, which are appearing in bottom. Okay, the sound is gone. Now let's continue. Uh, okay, so that's all about the basic things of ACO. Okay, however, in recently we do not use meta tag for ACO. Okay, we use backend languages mainly for currently, you can say currently we use backend languages, but previously it was used. Okay, but for current days, Google search engine do not give this meta tag priority. Okay, that's why we do not use it. Next. Okay, so this is a important thing you can say about meta tag, like meta HTTP equal to refresh, then content something something is written. Okay, what it is telling that here you can see 2 is written, means after 2 seconds our page on which we are will be refreshed and we will be redirected to this URL. Okay, like here I have given google.com, so we will be redirected to this google.com after 2 seconds. Okay, and it will be automatically refreshed. Let me show you. Okay, here it is written, used for redirecting to other page after auto reloading. But when to use? We cannot use it anytime in any work. Okay, there is some specific things where we should use this. Okay, like temporary maintenance page. If what is written here, that if your website is temporarily down for maintenance or updates, you might use a meta refresh to automatically redirect visitors to an alternative page with relevant information or a message explaining the maintenance window. Like yesterday, I think you have seen that Instagram and Facebook was down for some time as Mark Zuckerberg was in the wedding of Ambani's son. So that's why I think. Okay, so this is the reason. But you can see here some page, okay, where something was written like uh, server down or something. Okay, I have not seen it. I have just heard about the news, but this is like in this process it is done. Okay, it can be done using the backend as well, but in that way you can also do it. Okay, if your landing page of the website is under maintenance, okay, you are changing something, some proper changes, some big changes, then you can redirect the user to a page where the message will be displayed like our website is under maintenance and this is that all. Okay, so this is like that. So this is used for redirecting actually. And you should not use it any time, like in any situation for just fun. Okay, because this can be also used in not legal or illegal things. Okay, so you should not use in uh, kind of such things. Okay, just use it for proper reasons, uh, like as I told you or as I explained. Okay, although in basic website it is not required, but still you have to know about it as you are learning about HTML. Okay, so let me show you HTTP equip. refresh. Okay, meta, refresh, sorry, refresh, and then what was there, content equal to this, and then semicolon, and then URL. Okay, let's code it, content equal to semicolon and then URL. Okay. Hmm. Let me see. Okay, like if we write google.com. Okay, so let me check it, what is the problem. Okay guys, so there is a small problem, like my device was not connected with internet, so that's why it was showing error. So yeah, in that way you can write this link inside the meta tag, and if we go live now, you will see, yeah, now it is showing I am Gaurav from, and yeah, after 2 seconds it is redirect to this website like google.com. Okay, likewise you can redirect it to any website, but just use it for a fair purpose. Okay, so that's all about our today's session. This was a basic session, and I hope you enjoyed this introductory session about HTML. Okay, so now how to link a CSS and JavaScript file with HTML. Okay, how we can give it style, I will show you in CSS series as well as in a little bit in HTML series also. But for that you have to watch the next video, and if you like today's session you can definitely comment down, and if you have any doubt related to today's session you can definitely also comment down it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope everything was smooth and enjoyable for you for today's session. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's meet in next video.